What happens to data packets during wireless phone transfer? Imagine sending a message across a busy city street, but instead of a single courier, the message is broken into tiny pieces that travel separately. That's pretty much how data moves when you transfer files between phones wirelessly. When you start a transfer, your phone takes the data, like photos, contacts, or messages, and splits it into small chunks called data packets. Each packet is like a mini package with part of your data, plus extra info like where it's headed, the order it should go in, and checks to make sure it arrives intact. These packets are then sent over the air using radio waves. Depending on how you're transferring, your phone might use Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or cellular data. For example, if you're using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, your device communicates with the other device directly or through a local network. If you're using cellular data, the packets travel through the mobile network infrastructure. While the packets are flying through the air, they pass through the wireless medium, which is basically the space filled with radio signals. The receiving phone's operating system keeps track of these packets, collecting them as they arrive. It checks each packet for errors using the error-checking codes included in the data. If a packet is damaged or missing, the system asks for it to be sent again. This process makes sure that all parts of your data arrive correctly. Different mobile operating systems handle this process in their own ways. For example, Apple's iOS uses a feature called AirDrop, which combines Bluetooth for discovering nearby devices and Wi-Fi for fast data transfer. Android devices might use Bluetooth, Wi-Fi Direct, or even cloud services, depending on the device and app used. When transferring data between different operating systems, third-party apps often step in to manage compatibility and security, making sure the packets stay safe and arrive correctly. On the network side, if you're using cellular data, the packets are routed through network nodes like serving GPRS support nodes and gateway GPRS support nodes in older networks, or through evolved nodes in newer LTE or 5G networks. These nodes help direct the packets from your device to the destination, whether it's another device or a cloud service. They also manage bandwidth and make sure the data gets where it needs to go without delays. So, during wireless transfer, your data is broken into small packets, sent through radio waves or network infrastructure, checked for errors, and then reassembled on the other end. The mobile operating system orchestrates this entire process, using specific protocols and apps suited to its technology. This coordination makes moving data between devices quick, safe, and smooth, no matter what type of wireless technology you're using.